What's the meaning of binding? Binding. Binding.
Binding. Binding. The term binding can refer to several concepts depending on the context it is used. In general, it means to tie together or fasten securely, typically in a way that cannot be easily undone. In computer programming, binding refers to the process of associating a name with a value or a method. In law, a binding agreement is a contract or legal document that both parties are obligated to follow. The concept of binding also plays a significant role in the study of linguistics, where it refers to the grammatical relationship between elements within a sentence. Overall, binding implies a strong connection or commitment that cannot be easily broken.